Good morning, everybody. I just want to say hello, but today is the end of the month. Today is the last day of the month, so right now you guys want to go to the coupons.com app and print any coupons that you guys were thinking of adding. Some of them do expire today when you do print them off. Just want to give you guys a heads up, and some of them last a while. But I always print my coupons off swagbucks.com because I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I also get coupons for every coupon that I redeem. Or I get points. So it does add up. I have about $140 worth of money for gift cards, so I'm saving those for Christmas shopping. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that. And if you guys are interested, I do have a referral link below. But I'm here to share with you guys coupons to print. Now, they did add some new ones, so if you guys are interested in that, this Alba Botanica, $2 off of that. That looks new. I've never seen that really off the shelf or paid attention to it, so I'm not going to print that off. But they got Eucerin. Some of these did reset, like the Carmex one reset for me. The Johnson's gift set reset, but everything else has not. So wanted to share with you guys with that. Carmex, the Beard Guys reset. They have a $2 off Thermacare. Sorry you couldn't see that. KY, yeah. $1 off Simple, $1 off Noxzema. We got that going on. And then they added some Muir Glen diced tomatoes, $1 off of 2. They got $4 off of 2 products of Pantene Stylers. And then this is for CVS, and then they have save up to $6. So there's, like, it opens up a new window. So there's those, so it's $4, and then there's a $2 one down here. But wanted to share with you guys on that. Zantac is $3. I'm just going to print these off just in case, you never know. But then they got $2 off of Kiwi, $3 off Dukalax. Now here is not a coupon. It says $4 off Rimmel products. I think coupons.com has been really going with Saving Star, because there's a lot of Saving Star like ad deals in here. So just wanted to share with you guys with that. But otherwise, they got all, but that's the big jug. Otherwise, not much. They got Vetalq, not sure what that is. It's a dog food. So if you guys are interested in that, but yeah, here they got get $5 rebate, $3 rebate. So a lot of rebates. So I guess they did pair up with Saving Star, as you see right here, Saving Star. But not much coupons. It is the end of the month, so just print all those coupons off that you guys want. And new ones will be resetting tomorrow, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.